Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Dr. Muhammad Asif Aziz, working in Agriculture Farmer Training Lab in Mir Ali Shah Agriculture University, Rawalpindi. Dear students, this is the demonstration how to wire the frame. The wiring of frame is very much important because when we embed the sheet on the frame, this is the site where the bees will construct their cells, the queen will lay eggs, the nurse bees will rear the brood, and the forager bees will bring pollen and nectar, from where the bees will prepare bee bread and also honey, which we harvest from the colonies. So, for wiring the frames, we need a frame, first class wood, and very good finished one, then metal eyelets, nails, hammer, wire cutter, stainless steel wire ruler, and a small bamboo piece, one sheet of plastic, and wax embedder device. And the most important is wooden wiring board on which we will fix the frame. So let us start. First, we will fix the frame. So, we fix the frame on the board and then we start wiring in the frame. Now, before wiring the frame with this wire, we insert metal eyelets in the holes on the frames. So we have fixed the metal eyelets in these holes. These metal eyelets are very much important. If we do not use these metal eyelets in these holes become bigger due to the pressure of this wire, and after which this wire also becomes loose and our sheet also becomes loose, and due to which the whole frame does not remain fit for working in the colony. So we start the wiring here. So when we have when we have inserted the wire in these holes, then we have nailed here one nail and fixed one end of the wire here, and now we shall start to tighten the wire. The wire should be tight enough so that if we touch it, we should hear the sound of piano, very clear sound, not a dull sound. And if we tighten it more, this wire it can break. So we should keep in mind both the things. It should be tight also, and we should not tight it so much that it can break. So here we should gently tighten the wire and make 3 or 4 holes around the nail and then fix it. And now we can break. Now we have fixed the nail and our frame is ready for next step. Now the next step is to embed the wax sheet on this frame with the help of wax embedded device. So first we place the sheet carefully on the frame, and then both of these terminals, they are connected with these two nails. This device has two ranges, 12 and 24. We shall use 24, and when after fixing these two poles, we keep with the stopwatch so that after 5 seconds we can off this device. Now we shall place wax plastic sheet on the wax sheet, and we now press on button. Now we shall remove these terminals. Also remove the plastic sheets and see whether the sheet is embedded in the frame or not. So here we are seeing that these wires are fully embedded on both sides, and this frame is now ready to use in the column. So this was very brief method how to embed the wire and embed the wax sheet in the laboratory to be used in the column. Thank you very much.